Thinking about starting a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? You're in the right place. We'll show you exactly how to launch a successful faceless YouTube channel right here in the USA. First, let's understand what a faceless channel is and why the USA is the prime location to start one. Simply put, a faceless YouTube channel creates high-value content without the creator ever appearing on camera. This includes commentary, screen recordings, animations, or compilation videos. Starting in the USA offers key advantages, including better monetization rates, known as higher CPM, and access to one of the most engaged and valuable advertising audiences globally. The next critical step is selecting the right niche. This determines your long-term success and growth potential. Focus on niches with high viewer retention and monetization potential, such as financial commentary, luxury product reviews, educational content using animation, or deep dive compilations. Thoroughly research your competition. Analyze what top channels in your niche are doing, find gaps in their content, and understand what viewers are actively searching for in the US market. Creating compelling content without being on camera requires a solid strategy and the right tools. Your video style is key. Consider using professional voiceovers, text-based animation, screen recordings, or utilizing high-quality stock footage to make your content visually engaging. For US creators, essential tools include video editing software like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve, high-quality microphones for voiceovers, and premium subscriptions for stock media and music to avoid legal issues. Operating a YouTube channel in the US means adhering to specific legal and financial requirements. This is crucial for monetization. In the US, fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission for purposes like commentary, criticism, news reporting, or teaching. Understand these guidelines carefully to protect your channel from strikes. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to meet the subscriber and watch time thresholds, and your channel must be reviewed to ensure it adheres to YouTube's monetization policies and is linked to a valid US AdSense account. Once your content is ready, focus shifts to optimization and strategies for growth to ensure your videos reach the American audience. Target US-specific keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Use trending topics relevant to the American audience to boost discoverability and search ranking. Maintain a consistent upload schedule. Even without showing your face, engage with your community through comments, dedicated Q&A videos using voiceovers, and polls to foster loyalty. Starting a faceless YouTube channel in the US is a powerful venture. Let's quickly review the core steps for success. Remember, choose a profitable niche, implement a high-quality content strategy, set up your legal and monetization structure, and optimize your videos using targeted SEO. The demand for quality content is immense. Now that you have the blueprint, it's time to take action. Go start your faceless YouTube success story in the USA.